In previous tutorial, we had learned how to insert a forming tool into the sheet metal component. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a customized forming tool. So to create the forming tool, we will go to this features and take this extrude boss base and select this top plane. Suppose I draw center rectangle of some dimensions. Click OK and then exit sketch. Give it some height. We can take some random height and then OK. And suppose I once again select this extrude and this time I select the plane, that is right plane, and then go to this normal view and draw lines. I take line from this point and draw a line and then a vertical line. We will have to make it a complete loop or a closed sketch. So I select this arc, I draw an arc from this point up to this point and give it some radius and OK. We give it the extrude value on both the directions. Also give it direction 2 and click OK. After that, suppose we take the revolve feature, go to this revolve and we have to select a plane. So I select this front side plane and then we can rotate it. I select this convert entities and select all these 3 entities and then exit sketch. The sketch we know, we have created the sketch as a reference. Axis of revolution will be this vertical line. Select this vertical line and the angle we take, suppose 90 degree and then OK. We have to make the similar profile on the other side, so we can make revolve once again or we can directly mirror this. Select mirror feature, features to mirror, that is the feature, and then mirror face or mirror reference will be plane, this right plane, and I can click OK. And then once again I select this extrude cut and select this front plane. I draw, or okay, we can take convert entities and select all the lines and OK. Then I select this height, direction 1 height through all and OK. And this way we have created the component of the forming tool. So we go to sheet metal and to make a forming tool, select this forming tool option. In this forming tool there are 2 options, stopping face and faces to remove. Stopping face will be the fixed face. So I select the fixed face as a base, this base face, that is the base face. Then faces to remove, suppose I select this face and then click OK. And we have created a forming tool. Now we have to save this forming tool. So I go to this file, select this save as, and we can save it in design library. So we have this location of design library in file, then go to the design library and suppose I make another folder. In this forming tool we can create another folder or we can make it custom, and in this we can also insert this name. Suppose I make the name form tool and OK. Now I can close this and once again we will have to go to part file and go to the sheet metal and make a base. Draw this center rectangle. OK, then exit sketch. Now we have to insert that form tool. So we will go to this view, user interface and select this task plane, and we have created a folder with the name that is custom. So we will have to find that folder, find the location of that folder, that is custom, and that is the form tool we have created. Select this form tool and drag this on the component. Now we have to position this or I can directly click OK. And this way we can create the custom forming tool.